Hello everyone, welcome to this part of the video where we are building appointment scheduler on Google Conversational Agent. In the previous video, we have created our tools and connected those tools to GCA or Google Conversational Agent and tested them successfully. In this part, let's create prompts and connect those tools so that we can create an appointment using the conversational agent. So now I'll go to Playbooks and default generative Playbooks. We have used this tool to get free upcoming slots. Now I'll add a couple of more lines here. Use, let's say, check availability to get the availability of a slot for an appointment. Then let's say use this get free slot for day to get free slots for an appointment for a particular day. And let's say finally use tool create event to create an appointment in the calendar. If you have noticed, I have not provided any of the parameters that goes with these tools. This default generative playbook or any playbook on conversational agents platform will automatically identify those parameters and put it into the prompt, so we don't have to worry about it. So I'll save this and I'll go to this simulator. This button clears the existing chat history and I'm on default generative playbook. Let's see if this works or not. So it says, hi, what can I do for you? Let's say, I'll say book an appointment tomorrow. So you will see that first it has fetched upcoming slots and it is saying I can help you book an appointment tomorrow 24th November, and these are the free slots. So I'll say let's say seems good for me, let's say. So now it uses a tool called check availability to see if the slot is available or not. It is available, so it is asking name, email and mobile number and notes. So I'll say this is Raj, my email is raj@gmail.com and my number is 12345678890. And let's see, I'm not providing any specific notes for the meeting. Let's see what it comes up with. And you can see this is the event. Let me click on it. Hopefully we'll see it. Yeah, this is the event, meeting with Raj Kapadia. So yeah, it seems to be working pretty fine. In the next video, let's enhance our generative AI, our playbook description and instruction so that it can be more interactive than the current setup. If you like the work I put on my YouTube channel, consider subscribing to my channel. That helps. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the life, feel the music. Peace.